just a quick video on my GoPro Hero 5. It's now 2025 and it stopped working. I used it just a couple of days ago, charged up the batteries, recorded what I needed, downloaded the footage, and it worked fine. And then the next day, went to turn it on and it just keeps booting up, restarting, booting up, restarting. So I've got it hooked up to a power bank here, which definitely works. And I've got no battery in there. And I just closed the back door on that. Okay, and turned on. Red light's on, flash. Yep, 2 seconds, screen turns on, turns off. Now, I don't even press anything here, and it just keeps doing that. Oh, now it's not doing it, so press it, hold it. Nothing. Don't know. I'll put a battery in. I'll use a GoPro one. Okay, closed. Let's see. That's closed. Nothing. Quite a common issue. I looked on YouTube videos all about this. Some people suggested download the firmware and upload it to the SD card. I've booted this up without an SD card, it still boot loops, and put SD card with an update file. It's formatted fresh, still boot loops. Just literally keeps doing this. So the next step that I thought was, I'm pretty sure I had some long warranty on this thing when I purchased it. And do you reckon I could find any of that? Nah. 2016 was ages ago, so tried my luck just contacting GoPro support. And lo and behold, yes, they will assist me with this one. I've got to ship this one back to either, I think it's Singapore or the United States. And they are shipping me out a brand new GoPro Hero 13. So originally it was discussed that they'll send out a Hero 12, but I asked them, and yeah. So if you've got a Hero 5 and it's doing this, instead of chucking it in the bin, maybe contact GoPro and they will come to the party and help you with this one. I should also note that while they say yes, they will replace it, it's up to me as the consumer to ship back the one at my expense. I believe it's around $25–30 Australian to ship it back, and also pay the $149 fee to GoPro, which is still cheaper than buying a brand new device.